If you're on the hunt for an Olympus camera, chances are you want stunning images and reliable performance. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Olympus Tough TG7. Let's kick things off with the Olympus Tough TG7. This camera really caught my eye because of its rugged design and impressive features, and it's priced at around $708.92. If you want a camera that can handle adventure while still delivering great photos, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why the Tough TG7 can solve your problems. It's waterproof up to 15 meters, that's about 50 feet, so you can take it snorkeling or diving without worrying about damaging it. Plus, it's shockproof, dustproof, and crushproof, which is ideal if you're hiking or camping. The 20MP sensor combined with a high-quality f2.0 lens means you'll get bright, clear pictures even in low-light situations. And the variable macro system lets you capture incredible close-ups, getting as close as 1 centimeter from the lens. It even records in 4K, so your videos will look stunning. That's a big deal if you want to share your adventures online. Now, some users have complained about the battery life not being very long, especially when recording video. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for short bursts while you're out and about, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just bring a spare battery if you plan on a long day out. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast or love underwater photography. Skip this one if you're looking for a camera to primarily take casual family photos on dry land. Honestly, for what you're getting, the price is fair. Now, if the ruggedness of the TG7 isn't your thing, the next one may take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Olympus EM10 Mark IV. Next up is the Olympus EM10 Mark IV. Priced at $903.90, this camera is a bit more of an investment, but let me tell you, it's worth considering. If you want a camera that balances performance with portability, this one deserves your attention. Let's talk features. The EM10 Mark IV packs a 20MP live MOS sensor, which means your images will be bright and sharp. The in-body 5-axis image stabilization is fantastic for reducing blur, especially in low-light conditions, giving you about 4.5 shutter speed steps of compensation. That's huge for keeping your shot steady while you move. The camera also has a flip-down monitor that's perfect for selfies, which is super handy for social media lovers. Plus, the ability to connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth makes sharing your photos effortless. However, some folks have noted that the autofocus can be slow in low light. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily shooting in well-lit environments, this shouldn't be a problem. It's still a great option for most situations. This is perfect for you if you're a budding photographer or a content creator who wants high-quality images without the bulk. Skip this one if you need a camera that excels in dim lighting conditions. Considering all its features, I think it's a good value for what you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for an all-weather camera. Product number 3, Olympus Tough TG6. The third product is the Olympus Tough TG6. At around $774.77, this camera is similar to the TG7 but with a few unique twists. If you want a rugged camera that still takes incredible images, keep listening. The Tough TG6 is fully waterproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof, making it perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors. It features a high-resolution 12MP sensor and a bright f2.0 lens, which means excellent low-light performance, a must if you're in caves or at twilight. With 4K video capabilities and multiple underwater shooting modes, you can capture stunning underwater scenes. Plus, you can get really close with its macro modes. This flexibility is exactly what you need if you want to explore nature photography. Here's the thing, if you're not constantly recording long videos, you should be fine. Just keep an extra battery handy if you plan on shooting a lot. This is perfect for you if you're into underwater photography or extreme sports. Skip this one if you want something for everyday casual use. The price is reasonable considering the durability and features you're getting. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, the next camera might just be what you need. Product number 4, Olympus Tough TG7 Black. Up next is the Olympus Tough TG7 Black, which has a lot of similar features to its red counterpart but with a sleek design. This one is priced around $708.92, and if you're into stylish gear that performs, you'll want to hear more. The TG7 Black is built just as tough as the TG6 with the same waterproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof capabilities. Its 20MP sensor and f2.0 lens offer fantastic image quality and low-light performance. The macro shooting features are a standout, allowing you to get up close for detail-rich photos. It also boasts 5 underwater modes, optimizing your images no matter where you're shooting. This matters for you if you're an adventure seeker who values aesthetic as much as functionality. However, some users have mentioned that it can feel a bit bulky in the pocket. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for outdoor activities, that's a small price to pay for what you're getting in durability and features. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet rugged camera for your adventures. Skip this one if you need a compact camera for everyday carry. Honestly, the price reflects the quality and features you're getting. Now, if you need something that's a little more focused on family photography, check out the next option. Product number 5, Olympus Pen EPL10. Finally, we have the Olympus Pen EPL10. Priced at about $693.90, this camera is known for its sleek design and user-friendly features. If you want a camera that's perfect for everyday use and great for family photos, listen closely. The Pen EPL10 has a 16MP sensor, which means you'll get solid images, and it comes with built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing. The flip-down touchscreen is fantastic for selfies or vlogging, and the in-body stabilization helps keep your shots crisp. Plus, with a variety of art filters, you can get creative with your photos without needing editing software. This is great for family memories you want to capture effortlessly. That said, some users have found it a bit lacking in low-light situations compared to other models. Here's the thing, if you mainly shoot during the day or in well-lit spaces, this won't be a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you're a casual photographer looking for ease of use. Skip this one if you often shoot in dark environments where you need high performance. Considering the design and features, I think it offers great value. Now, let's wrap up and compare these great options. We've covered 5 fantastic Olympus cameras. The Tough TG7 stands out for rugged adventure, while the EM10 Mark IV is perfect for aspiring photographers. The TG6 and TG7 Black offer excellent underwater capabilities, and the Pen EPL10 is great for casual use. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the EM10 Mark IV because of its balance of performance and portability. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.